Sony Crystal LED Unify 135-inch all-in-one LED display. Main features are Sony Crystal LED Unify ZRL135SG is a premium 135-inch all-in-one direct view LED display. Built as a turnkey solution, it targets corporate boardrooms, lecture halls, and premium meeting spaces by packing Sony's elite crystal LED technology into an accessible, rapid deployment format. Key technical specifications are display size fixed 135-inch diagonal canvas, resolution standard Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels, pixel pitch crisp 1.5 mm layout, ideal for mid to close boardroom viewing distances. Peak brightness 800 candelas per square meter. Nits to easily cut through heavy room lighting. Standout features are 1-hour express assembly. Traditional commercial LED walls require days of technical module calibration. The Unify ships with 5 pre-assembled display units and a dedicated control unit. Anti-reflection surface coating features advanced glare reduction technology to maintain deep contrast levels even under harsh overhead office fluorescent lights. Pro Bravia ecosystem synergy. The display natively runs Sony's standard remote device management (RDM) platform. It mirrors the user interface and remote control layout of standard Sony Bravia professional screens, allowing IT departments to easily sync it alongside existing office hardware. Sleek flush aesthetics features ultra-thin bezels and houses a unique slide-out control unit hidden neatly behind the screen panel. When using the bundled wall brackets, the display sticks out less than 100 mm, 4 inches, from the wall, meeting standard ADA accessibility protrusion rules.